Python is a versatile and widely used programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Here's some introductory information about Python. Python is a high-level interpreted language designed to be easy to read and write. It's a general-purpose language, meaning it's suitable for various types of applications, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, automation, and more. Python emphasizes code readability with its clear and expressive syntax. It uses indentation, whitespace, to define code blocks, which makes it easy to understand the structure of the code. This feature is often referred to as the Pythonic way of writing code. Python is an interpreted language, which means that the Python interpreter executes code line by line. This makes it easy to test and debug code interactively. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to declare variable types explicitly. Variable types are determined at runtime based on the value assigned to them. Python comes with a comprehensive standard library that provides support for many common programming tasks, such as file, I/O, networking, regular expressions, and more. This eliminates the need to write code from scratch for many common tasks. Python has a large and active community of developers who contribute to its growth and development. There are numerous third-party libraries and frameworks available for Python, catering to various needs and domains. Python is available on most operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it a versatile choice for developing applications that need to run on different platforms. Python supports object-oriented programming, OOP, paradigms, allowing developers to create reusable and modular code through classes and objects. Python provides built-in support for high-level data structures, such as lists, dictionaries, sets, and tuples, which makes it efficient for handling complex data. Python is open source and maintained by the Python Software Foundation, PSF. This means that anyone can contribute to its development and improvement, and it's freely available for anyone to use and distribute. Overall, Python's simplicity, versatility, and strong community support make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers alike. Its ease of learning and wide range of applications have contributed to its popularity in various fields of software development. For a detailed explanation of each of the topics, please consider joining the course mentioned in the advertisement clip that follows. Thank you.
If you wish to be an IT specialist or data scientist, you may look into my course on Python Foundation Concepts. It is just for beginners and covers the essentials of this programming language. Link to details are available in the description.